Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the pound dollar, I think this is likely the end of a pullback on the daily up here. I think this is a wave B of either an expanding or a running flat. And if that's true, that means that we have like a wave one and probably a wave two. Now, this could be over already. This could just start a big old downtrend. Sometimes wave twos are pretty small. This is a pretty small wave two right there. But a lot of the other dollar pairs look like they need to make another wave up to make more of a proper one, two, three pullback for the wave two. So I still think there's a pretty good chance we could go up to like the 30 or the 50% before we actually end up continuing the downtrend for the wave three of this either expanding or running flat pattern. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here because I still think there's a chance this is a wave A and a wave B. If it respects one of these red Fibonacci retracement levels and starts to turn back up, it could be a pretty decent little day trade to the upside for a wave C, taking it up to like the 38 or the 50% Fibonacci retracement that I just showed on the 4 hour time frame. But just keep in mind that the trend is down. It doesn't really necessarily have to even make a wave C. It could possibly just keep on going down. The higher time frame trends are always your friend. When you go down to the sort of time frames, start coming up with reasons to go counter trend. Sometimes that is definitely a disaster or just a losing trade waiting to happen. So I personally think there's a good chance it could go up. But really, the best trade is definitely going to be waiting for the end of this pullback for a sort for hopefully the beginning of a big wave three. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.